Kill your hunger with fresh and flavorful easy homemade garlic bread. Hey everyone, welcome to Oliver Kitchen. Today we will share the easiest homemade garlic bread recipe ever. As always, if you like to learn easy and delicious recipes, smash the like button and subscribe. In a bowl, take 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. You can use garlic powder instead, some parsley. Now mix all the ingredients together. Take 3 pieces of regular bread. Coat all the bread one side with the mixture. Heat a pan on low-medium heat and put the bread coated side down. Now coat the upper side. Cook until the bread is golden brown. Now flip and cook the same way. Enjoy the delicious taste.